Hi guys, this is Liz. Today I'm going to fertilize the pea plants with a non-burning fertilizer, and the NPK value is 533, and supplement it with alfalfa meal. And I'm also going to make an update if I have successfully propagated the blackberries. I did this last autumn. The plants are not looking as good as 3 days ago because the other day we have strong wind in the 30s miles per hour, and then the next day freezing temperature. Poor plants. I have trimmed some of the plants by removing the tender shoots above one or two sets of leaves. This is the first set, the second set. Because I have planted more than 3 seeds here, so I just prune them about 6 inches high so that they can get out from this cell unit better. I don't want them to congest inside. I'm also going to use this as a climbing thing for the plants. I use 2 bricks to secure the planter because in my area it's quite windy. The bottom of the planter, I have some lettuce. I just use the alfalfa meal fertilizer because I don't want them to grow so fast. It's done. Lots of weeds in this blackberry patch. It needs de-weeding. I'm also going to check if I have successfully propagated some of the blackberries. You see this? From that branch, I bent and planted the end. Going to check if it has rooted. The ones that I did in the small container, I want to transplant them in another area, but I have here that I planted directly in the ground, so that stays here. I'm going to de-weed first. I'm going to apply fertilizer about 6 inches away from the stem. I'm using alfalfa meal and triple 13 fertilizer. I noticed that it's forming flowers. There's bud flowers already, so I'm not going to disturb it. Instead, I'm going to put fertilizer. Just gonna put it inside the pot. This one doesn't have flower buds. Oh, there's some roots. Going to cut this in the middle. There's some flower buds. So, removing the dead branches. Some strawberries were planted here, but I'm thinking to make it blackberry patch. I planted the blackberries last autumn. What a beautiful root system. Covered with dirt and mulch. I secured the stem because it's windy these days. Planted more.